follow instructions to correctly cut and bend window and door flashings. To install the window and door flashings on sheet or Vermont cladding, use the window and door rigs provided to make the correct cuts. Start by installing the bottom flashing. Take the width of the window plus 130 mm, then cut the flashing straight off. Strictly use a cold cut grinder blade to cut the flashings to prevent any rust from appearing. Place the window rig to the far left side and mark all the lines accordingly. The lines you just marked will be exactly where you cut or bend the flashings. Then use the rig to show you what part of the flashing to bend and what part to cut. Use flat lock grip pliers to bend the flashings correctly on each mark. Place the window rig to the far right and repeat this step until the flashing is finished. Then place the flashing in place. Install the side flashings. Take the height of the window plus 110 mm and make a straight cut on the flashing. Place the rig on the bottom of the flashing, then mark all lines accordingly. Then cut the flashing on the exact lines. Repeat on the top of the flashing and cut off all excess material. Bend the parts according to the window rig and place the flashings in place. Repeat the step on the right flashing with the right window rig. Finally, measure, cut and install the top window flashing. Take the width of the window plus 90 mm and make an exact cut on the flashing. Use the top left window rig and place it onto the flashing. Then mark all the lines accordingly. Repeat the step on the right side of the flashing. Then cut off all excess material and place the flashing in place. After all flashings are cut properly, apply silicone on the window frame and install the bottom flashing first. Apply silicone on all parts where the side flashings overlap. Then apply silicone on the top and side flashings. Take the two side flashings and install the side flashings under and over the top flashing, making sure that the 45-degree cut is always in front, and install them inside the window frame. If you have any queries, please visit our website at siteform.co.za.